Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
In the region, Cuban aviation officials have warned airlines that there isn't enough fuel for airplanes to refuel on the island. This is the latest step in its series of moves to ration energy as the Trump administration cuts the Caribbean nation off from its fuel resources. The Cuban government published the notices to airlines and pilots on Sunday night, warning that jet fuel would not be available at 9 airports across the island starting Tuesday and continuing until March 11. This presents a significant challenge for long-haul routes from countries like Russia and Canada, a critical pillar of Cuba's tourism economy. It remains unclear how long the notice will remain in effect. And on the international scene, at least 3 people in Ukraine were killed in Russian overnight drone and missile strikes. This according to the Interior Ministry in Kiev on Monday, as Moscow continued its nightly long-range bombardment campaign. Ukraine's Air Force said Russia launched 149 drones and 11 ballistic missiles into the country from Sunday evening into Monday morning, of which 116 drones and an undetermined number of missiles were shot down or suppressed. The Air Force said the impacts of 23 drones and some missiles were recorded across 15 locations. The latest round of strikes came soon after Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky again called for more Western aid to replenish and expand the country's air defense network. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.